So the differences between the human foot and the human hand show the principle of function follows form. And the ancestors of humans were four-legged, and originally all four of their limbs were used to walk. And so we can assume that all four of their limbs were, they had basically 4 feet. So if we look at the human foot, we can see that we have a very big sole area. That's very important for weight distribution. When you're putting all your weight on that foot, it's important to have a big sole area. Then we have much smaller toes here, which are the phalanges. And these toes are not really good for grasping. They're just, they're pretty much support for the foot for movement. Whereas if we look at the hand has a much smaller sole area, the palm. It's not really used for weight distribution, so it's less important here. But we have much longer phalanges, which are very important for grasping things, manipulating the environment. So we can see the differences in the form of the foot versus the hand, and the function of the foot is weight, carrying the weight of the body and movement, whereas the hand, the function is manipulating the environment. And so form comes first. So we can say that originally there were the ancestors of humans, some of them became two-legged. They started to walk upright. And then from there, they started to use their hands more. But the hand did not develop in response to their usage. It was more that humans that had more hand-like limbs became more successful, and they reproduced more. So over time, eventually the hands evolved from a foot-like appendage to a hand-like appendage. So that's how the form came first, then the function.
The foot is going to be mainly for locomotion, movement, just using power as a means to move the whole body, whereas the hand is going to be smaller muscles for more fine motor control. Using tools and just manipulating your environment. As far as the bones go, the radius and the ulna are basically identical here. You can tell that they did evolve from some place or similar origin. The heel on the foot evolved to bear more weight, so the bones enlarged, whereas in your hand, the phalanges grew larger, so you can grasp things better, and the thumb moved down so that you could also grasp things better.
We're going to see how much longer it takes the foot to type the word biology. Ready, set, go.
B-I...
No, that's an N there. You got to delete the N.
I'll edit it later. I got a cramp. Right.
Okay, so we're at 20 seconds, and he did not spell the word correctly. Can't see it, but he spelled Binagoit.
All right.
Okay, so now we are going to see how long it takes to type the word biology with the hand. Ready, set, go. 4 seconds. The difference is very large. So we can see that the hand is more efficient in manipulating the environment than the foot is, due to its difference in form.